My food journey through Dubrovnik is about to begin. We'll be visiting a number of authentic eateries in Old Town to sample some local delicacies. We're starting off at the popular open-air market where you can buy local goods. We've arrived at our first restaurant and I am excited because I am so hungry. At this family-run restaurant, they serve seafood specialties like fish fillets, oysters, paired with a glass of local white wine. We're stopping at 4 different locations to try dishes, and each one is different than the next. Here we are trying local cheeses and cured meats. Whether you're vegetarian, gluten-free, or you name it, they can assist you with substitutions so everyone can enjoy it.
Just before Croatia decided to leave Yugoslavian Union,
not only am I getting to taste some delicious Croatian food, I'm also learning about Dubrovnik's history. There's a belief in Croatia that the bigger nose you have, the more wealth you have. So it's good luck to touch his nose. Money, money, money. No food tour is complete without dessert. Let's try this. It's a chocolate souffle, totally gooey inside. Whoa, so good.
We've just been on a fabulous food and wine tour. The wine is fabulous, the food is great. I've had a great time, so thank you very much.
When you come to Dubrovnik, come hook up with Anna because she's the most amazing tour guide that we've had. She took us to some amazing locations. I don't know where they are now because I've had so much wine and so much food, but she is amazing.
We truly got to taste a bit of Croatia on this food journey through Dubrovnik's Old Town, and we made some great new friends. From a family restaurant to traditional pastry, this was an absolute highlight of my time in Croatia.